Oh my god. I like the hand. Special one is just sitting on Mama's back.
Like, I'm too scared. I'm not ready.
3, 6, 7, 8.
My God.
Are you videotaping it?
Yeah.
Good.
I think she was moving around so much. I think it's on
Oh, there
the
it
door.
is. Daddy says driving through a huge windy dust bowl.
Oh.
Call Jeannie.
I will.
Call the exterminator.
Oh,
The pool's infested. I'm joking. I love it.
you better be.
I think it's
Oh,
adorable.
the special one got kicked off.
Yeah, we shook them off with it, but here they go.
Did they take turns?
I'm gonna go to a cannonball. Just run out. Cannonball!
Not the snow one. Oh, the special one trying to
He's
get
flying.
back up on.
He's trying to go back on. Mama, you called me Mama.
Okay.
Oh, cute. Are you videotaping?
Yes.
Oh, she tried a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8? Are there 8?
They keep changing order. I can't tell. It won't
Yeah,
stay in
there's
the
8.
line.
Jeannie, you have to see this. There are 8 ducklings.
No, 9.
9 ducklings swimming behind the mommy in the pool.
Oh. Come on, little ones.
And one of them jump on mommy's back.
How are they going to get out?
We may have to go put a plank in. Oh, they put the plank over there.
Bob did, yeah.
Quietly. Okay,